This is the NOAA Weather Radio WWG91 in Sheboygan. The current time is 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For tonight, the Fox River in Waukesha will remain above flood stage. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Thursday. The Fox River in Waukesha will remain above flood stage until at least early Saturday morning. There will be chances for thunderstorms Friday night through the first half of next week. Locally heavy rainfall is possible, particularly in locations experiencing repeated rounds of storms. Heat and humidity briefly return Saturday. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be needed through Friday. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the nearshore waters from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Thursday. There will be chances for thunderstorms Friday night through the first half of next week. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the open waters of Lake Michigan. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Thursday. There will be chances for thunderstorms Friday night through the first half of next week. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for a portion of east central Wisconsin, including Sheboygan. Rest of tonight, mostly cloudy after midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the lower 60s. South winds up to 5 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of light showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows around 70. South winds up to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, warm and humid. Partly sunny with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms through around midnight. Then chance of light showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour shifting to the north after midnight. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of light showers and thunderstorms. Not as warm. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy with light showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 60%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of light showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of light showers and thunderstorms through around midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Wednesday night and Thursday, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Highs in the upper 70s. Again, the forecast for a portion of east central Wisconsin, including Sheboygan. For the rest of tonight, mostly cloudy after midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Near steady temperature in the lower 60s. South winds up to 5 miles an hour. At 2 a.m. weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. At Sheboygan, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 64 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity was 93%. The pressure was 30.08 inches and steady. At Fond du Lac, it was mostly cloudy, and it was 67. In Oshkosh, it was cloudy, and 67. At Juneau, it was mostly cloudy, and 67. In Madison, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 71. At Milwaukee, it was mostly cloudy, and 70. In the Dells, it was mostly cloudy, and 68. In Green Bay, it was mostly cloudy, and 67. At Eagle River, it was cloudy. The temperature was 66. In Chicago, it was partly cloudy, and 71. At St. Louis, it was partly cloudy. And 79. At Des Moines, it was partly cloudy. And 71. At the Twin Cities, it was mostly cloudy. And 73. At Duluth, it was mostly cloudy. And 67. At Marquette, it was partly cloudy. And 64. Once again, at Sheboygan, it was 64, under mostly cloudy skies. A few marine observations. At the Kewanee Lakeshore, the air temperature was 69. The winds were south at 6 knots. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 70. The winds were west at 3 knots. The report from the Port Washington Lakeshore was not available. At the Milwaukee Lakeshore, the air temperature was 70. The winds were west at 4 knots. Here is the nearshore marine forecast. West of tonight, south wind 5 knots rising to 5 to 10 knots early in the morning. Partly cloudy. Waves nearly calm. Friday, south wind 5 to 10 knots rising to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Friday night, south wind at 10 to 15 knots easing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight, then veering southwest early in the morning. Chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday, west wind 5 to 10 knots rising to 10 to 15 knots late in the morning, then backing south in the afternoon. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The Sheboygan, Wisconsin climate summary for yesterday, August 14th, 2025. Yesterday's high temperature of 79 degrees occurred at 3:24 p.m. Yesterday's low temperature of 57 degrees occurred at 4:58 a.m. No precipitation fell yesterday. Sunrise today is at 5:56 a.m. and sunset is at 7:55 p.m. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WWG91 in Sheboygan. The current time is 2:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time.